Samsung 130-inch, the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K Ultra High Definition Smart Triple Laser Home Theater Projector. .2 ch surround sound system with Alexa built-in, 2020 model. UHD processor. A powerful processor optimizes performance with 4K picture quality. Pure color. Experience crystal clear colors that are fine-tuned to deliver a naturally crisp and vivid picture. HDR. You unveil shades of color you can't find on HDTV. Game enhancer. Unveils shades of color you can't find on HDTV. One Remote. The sleek and slim One Remote automatically detects and controls all compatible connected devices and content. Now playing at home in a 4K triple laser. Lose yourself in immersed detail and enjoy a cinematic experience from the comfort of your own home with Samsung 130-inch, the Premier Projector. 4K UHD Smart TV 4.2 channel sound system with built-in Alexa 2, cutting-edge UHD ultra bright triple laser technology, and 4K resolution delivers dramatic, high-quality cinematic picture quality and contrast. With 2,800 lumens, ensure you catch every detail, even in bright light. While precise color accuracy and incredible contrast, all on a massive 130-inch screen, the Samsung Premier is the world's first HDR10 Plus projector for vibrant viewing. Powerful sound matches the stunning display with 40-watt, 4.2 channel built-in audio channel system, while super easy control and a host of other enhancements such as built-in Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby elevate the smart projector watching experience. Ultra short throw technology allows the 4K projector to be placed within inches of any wall and with a compact and minimal design. The Premier Projector blends seamlessly into your space, turning any room into your very own home theater. Available technologies, functions, graphic user interface, and smart features may vary by region, service provider, network environment, mobile devices, or product, and are subject to change without notice. Amazon, Alexa, and all related logos are trademarks of Amazon.com Incorporation or its affiliates. Feature availability may vary by game console. The Google Assistant service may not yet be available at the time of purchase of this product. Please continue to check for app updates. Bixby voice commands recognizes English US, Mandarin Chinese, and Korean. Not all accents, dialects, and expressions are recognized. The list of features that can be controlled by voice command by Bixby will continue to expand. Mobile functionality compatible with Samsung Galaxy 8 series or higher with Bixby functions. Samsung accounts login and data network, Wi-Fi or internet connections required to fully operate Bixby features. The product is multi-voltage compatible. The voltage range is between 100 to 240 volts. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.